Over the past few days, I have been using Claude Code to vibe code me my very own Chrome extension to help me when I'm doing research over on Amazon. Now, what started as a simple BSR checker, which is this just here, where it pulls through the BSR, the categories, the independently published, and the ASIN. Now, what started off as a very simple tool is slowly evolving into something really cool. Now, I've added 3 new features to this little Chrome extension, and I want to share with you and show you what they are. Now, I did make a video all about starting to create this Chrome extension. I highly suggest going through and watching it, and what I'll do is link that down in the description below, because that's going to show you how to start the chat with Claude, and it's going to show you how to set up your folders as well. Now, before I actually share these new features with you, we can see we're here on Quote Colouring Books. Now, I'm here on Quote Colouring Books because I've been doing research and creating my own Quote Colouring Books. Now, if you want to create Quote Colouring Books as well, then come and check out my Nano Banana Quote Colouring Page Prompt Generator. Now, this is currently only $19.99 until the 30th of April, and then the price is going to be increasing to $39.99. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, then check out the link down in the description below. Anyway, here's the tool. And this was really easy to vibe code here in Claude Cowork. Now, depending on how complicated your Chrome extension is, will depend on how much going back and forth you have to do. Now, this Chrome extension is getting very detailed, so there's a lot of going back and forth. But if I click on the pop-up menu, we can see I can now enable each one of these. So if we look here, I can just have the BSR showing, but I've also added this, and this tells me when the book was published. So now I can go through, quickly see at a glance the BSR and when it was published. So this one was published in 2024, and it has a really great BSR. Now, this feature is a little bit glitchy at the minute, so I need to go back and forth with Claude Code, ironing out all the bugs. But nonetheless, this is a pretty cool feature. Now, another 2 features which I've added, one of them is to do with my focus mode. Now, my focus mode turns all of Amazon dark mode, and it removes all of the sponsored ads. So we can see this ad just here, and it will completely remove this. Now, one of the features which I added was to remove all this menu on the left-hand side as well, because when I'm doing research, I very rarely actually use any of this. So if I click on there, click on Enable Focus Mode, we can see the whole of Amazon has now turned black. It's removed all of the ads as well, and it's removed that menu on the left-hand side, making it easier to focus. So that's 2 features which I've now added to this little BSR tool. Another one is when I'm on Author Centrals. So here's an Author Central. I wanted the BSRs and all that data to be pulled through on here as well. See, we can see it's a little bit glitchy at the minute. It's not pulling through published. But now, on Author Centrals, it's going to pull through all of the BSR data that I want. And I can play around, show categories, independently published, and ASIN as well. So that's 3 new features which I've added to my little Chrome extension. Now, I'm showing you this and creating these videos so that you can go and create something yourself, because it's really not that hard to vibe code using Claude Code. Now, again, I highly suggest going through and watching my previous video all about this, because that's going to show you how to set up all the folder that you need as well, because you set up a folder and then Claude specifically works in that folder, which makes it so much easier when you go to test your actual Chrome extension. Now, to test them, you need to be in Chrome extensions, which is this link just here. You also want to have developer mode enabled up here in the top right, then you can load your unpacked Chrome extension. So if I remove this for a second, just like that, there we go. All I have to do is click on load, find the folder, select, and now that's been uploaded. Now, because Claude works in a specific folder, it makes it so much easier to update, because now this specific folder is tied to this Chrome extension. So anything changed, all I have to do to test any updates is click on refresh up here, and then I can go through and try it out. Now let's come back up to here. Let's enable this because we've just re-uploaded it. So we need to go to extensions, find your extension, pin it, and now I have that just here. So let me just quickly revert back to Amazon just like this, because now we've reinstalled it, and then we could test it out if that was your first time uploading a Chrome extension. But we have the BSR box just here. I can go through. I can enable them, disable them, keep what I want. I can click on focus mode, and it just is really, really cool to vibe code your own Chrome extensions. So if you haven't tried this already, learn a little bit about it and just start testing it out and see what you can create. Now, I'm currently in the process of going through with ChatGPT and creating a new UI interface for the little pop-up. So this is just standard. I don't really like this, doesn't really look that great. So I'm going back and forth and coming up with new ideas, new concepts for this little interface. Now, what I'll probably do once I've found one or created one, which I really, really like, is I'll probably make a video all about that as well. Because I find this all really interesting, and I just find it absolutely insane that we can now talk to an AI, because that's all we're doing. We're talking, going back and forth, telling it what we want to create, and then we can actually create our own Chrome extensions, which is just absolutely insane. So if there's any Chrome extensions, tools that you personally use yourself, see if you can create your own version of it, improve it in the ways that you want it improved, and then you have your very own Chrome extension. But nonetheless, I just wanted to update you on all of this, show you what I've changed, what it looks like, because I absolutely love this dark mode. And I really love the green on the black, and how I can disable all of these and just keep the BSR as well if I really wanted to. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist all about this Chrome extension.